Well folks, it's Nostalgia Nights here in St. Thomas, Ontario. Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel if you're new. I just got back from St. Thomas Raceway Park. I rushed back. I got about an hour to cover the more interesting of the vehicles that are here. And to start, I figure why not start off with something that is my own son, Jacob, some of his favorite kinds of cars. So we'll cover these first and then we'll move on. Well, here's something kind of interesting. Right next to our memorial area for it's the cenotaph that used to be over here at Princess Street. Right next to it, it would only be ever so appropriate to pan over and have these three sitting right here. Well, technically these five. Terry, I hope you're watching. I know you like your old Army Jeeps. Was just talking with somebody from the ELTA, East London Timing Association, about them making an appearance out at Sparta coming up soon. And they informed me they have all the dates right here. Trust me, we're gonna be out there for that. MG, and it says right here, Duchess. Look at that wood dash, eh? And even this year have a couple tucked back in this way. We'll come over and take a look once the copyright music is quieted down a little bit. The size of that in there, eh?
Jeff Glover, are you still here?
How's it going? This is beautiful. You just became part of the scenery. Yeah, that is super clean.
It's going. It's good.
Hi, Terry. How are you? Did you see your
folks, looks like we missed the most of it. Spent too much time recording one thing to get to another, but there's still a few more cars that we can cover here, so bear with me. But you look at that inline 6. That's something else. Wow, look at this, guys. Now there is a nostalgia racer for you. That inline 6 though, like that's just crazy. The old Nissan, oh this would be the Datsun, wouldn't it? The Datsun Z car. And it's a turbo too.
Oh yeah, could have turbo.
Yeah. Big fan of these too.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had this since '86.
So also original.
Yeah.
Right
Dual
on.
owner and everything. Good stereo. All good.
Well, these are sought after these days. You just don't
Really
see
is.
them.
You know what? I hardly get a look at this.
It's because everybody's looking at these new Camaros and these new everything that looks alike, you know? Have a good night. Yep, you just don't see the Datsun Z cars like that anymore. That was kind of nice. Original owners, been babied ever since. I even asked her if they've had any problems with the turbo system over the years. She said, not a problem. It said it really still gets up and scoots. But I'll show you guys. This is what all is left. We may have made it a little bit too late. Oh. Well, guys, all considering, I spent the day out filming in Sparta, and I wanted to make sure that there was some good content for the Ontario Street Outlaws video, which ended up biting into time for the Nostalgia Nights video. And I was not able to get half as many of these cars that were here even when I first got here, but the car show is over. It's an empty street. Empty street down this way. But hey, we tried, and there's still a bit of a content that I can post, so I hope you guys did enjoy what we got. We're not quite done yet. There's something else I want to show you guys. I don't even know what it is, but we'll go look at it anyway. So yeah, let's go have a look. Just so you guys know, I was talking with these guys over here after I took a couple shots of the car, and I should have been recording, but I didn't. These are original Sparta track members. The shorter guy with the normal cap on that is knelt down right now, he used to work out there years ago. Heck, they were out there opening day of the track. So there you go, a little bit of Sparta history for you. Now, if this is what I think it is, how's it going?
Dad, you're a little late.
Yeah, I was out at the track all day filming, and unfortunately it cost me some of my time here. Speaking of old St. Thomas nostalgia, how's that for you?
Did you put your retirement in yet?
No, I'm stupid.
There's nothing to do if you retire. You go
No, we're talking about shoppers.
Oh,
I drive for shoppers too.
All right, with that, the car show's gone. Again, sorry guys. I should have actually left the track just a wee bit sooner so I could get down here just a wee bit sooner, but what can you do, right? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed what I did get for the video.
Mama famous!
Hey, what's going on, mister?
That's funny because my mom will actually see your video.
Well, I don't know if this part will make it into it, but... So again, thanks for watching, guys. Nostalgia Nights, what I could get of it. Stay tuned, more interesting stuff coming up. Oh yeah, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share the video. I'm out of here.